Hi guys, today I'll show you how I made golden milk hot cocoa bombs. So golden milk is basically just turmeric milk. It has many health benefits. I really struggle to get my children to drink this, and they love hot chocolate. So I tried to make a hot chocolate version. I'll be using this 3-piece mold. I absolutely love this mold. Before I got this mold, I was using the silicone molds, and I found it to be more time consuming. This just made everything a lot quicker and cleaner and simpler. So first I melted almond bark and some white chocolate and a few candy melts just for the color, as well as a pinch of turmeric. So I'm just pouring this into the mold. The mold has a line which indicates how much you should fill it to. I actually overfilled one of them, but it's okay. So now you put the silicone piece on top of the mold, and then you get the third piece, place that on top, and then just gently press down. I placed this into the freezer for around 5 minutes, and then I took it out of the mold. You know, the chocolate is ready to be unmolded when it just kind of pops out by itself. I then peeled away the silicone and got rid of any excess chocolate. Now I'm going to fill them with the golden milk powder mix. You can make this yourself at home, or you can buy this ready-made. So I put around a teaspoon per bowl and then added some marshmallows. To seal the chocolate together, I heated a pan and just put the chocolate on top to melt it a little and placed it onto the other side. I then went around the whole bowl to take off any excess chocolate and to seal it. And this is optional. I just did this because it looks nice, but I added some edible gold leaf. And there you have it.